Hi, today I want to show you this 10-in-1 air fryer toaster and oven combo by Instant Pot. So first, when you open the box, you have all the instructions. Next, you have this metal wire tray, which is gonna be very useful for French fries and other foods like that. Then you have these two metal holders, and this is for the rotisserie chicken. You also have the metal wrap for it. And even this little metal holder to put the chicken in or take it out, and another metal tray with the thin rods, plus the kind of regular baking tray. I like the way this air fryer looks. It has this nice shiny black panel in front with really good quality adjustment knob, which I'm gonna come back to it in a second. And it has the see-through opening door. And as you could see, that is heating elements and tab and on the bottom also. And additionally, there is one more tray in the bottom, and that's for easy cleaning, of course. So when the oils are gonna come from the food, they're gonna go on the bottom to this tray, so you can easily remove it and clean it. The rest of the oven is stainless steel, and it looks pretty nice. And in the back you have this kind of medium length power cord. There's also this kind of metal attachment in the back. I guess that could be used if somebody wants to mount it somewhere. When you plug in the oven the first time, it's gonna display everything together for just a second, and then it's gonna go to the off position. To put this air fryer on, you just click the knob, and that's where you can also adjust all the settings. For example, the temperature, of course. You can also choose the function, of course. What do you want to use the air fryer? You want to bake, broil, or even do rotisserie chicken. Of course, only when you use the rotisserie function, then the rod with the two elements is gonna turn. And to adjust the minutes, you click the knob again, and of course adjust it with the dial. So we actually made few different foods with it, and by the way, it's mostly recommended that you preheat the oven. So we actually made pizza, and that was a frozen pizza, by the way, and that came out really nicely, just pretty much perfect. Also made this frozen sweet potato fries, then that again was great. The fries were really crunchy, really nice. Then we even did this miniature hot dogs, and we even tried to do the rotisserie chicken. Now, of course, that's your choice, but we lowered the temperature to 350, so that way even it took a little bit longer time, but the chicken was roasting nice and slowly, and the end effect was amazing. The chicken was beautifully roasted, and even more important, roasted all the way through. Me and my wife, we absolutely love this air fryer. One thing I gotta say though, it bakes everything very fast, so first few times you use it, you probably have to get used to it, and in some situations lower the minutes a little bit, because it bakes and air fries everything super fast. Also, when the process is about to end, in the last minute, it will actually switch to seconds, so you can see the seconds going down until the end. And approximately at about 30 seconds, the light will come on too. Also, if you put something for too long, for example, we did the fries, and it actually starts to burn, this oven will make the sound and basically warning that something is burning. This is such a great thing for the kitchen. It's definitely very easy to use, and it bakes and air fries the food really fast, which is super convenient, and what an amazing accessory for the kitchen, and definitely worth the price.